Hi everyone, welcome to this detailed step-by-step guide where I am going to show you exactly how to create a professional looking YouTube banner for your channel using only free tool online. You do not need any advanced design skills or expensive software like Photoshop. All you need is your internet browser, your creativity and a few simple steps to follow. So grab your laptop or even your smartphone and let's get started together. I promise you that by the end of this video, you will have a fully customized banner ready to make your YouTube channel stand out. Alright, so the very first step you need to do is go to canva.com. Canva is a free and extremely popular online design platform that lets you create professional graphics easily, even if you have never done design work before. Once you are on Canva homepage, you will see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type YouTube banner. This will show you a wide variety of ready-made templates that you can use as starting point of your own banner. Scroll through the different options until you find a template that you really like. Once you see one that fits your style or the vibe you want for your channel, go ahead and click on it. Now that you have chosen a template, the next thing you'd want to do is click on customize this template. This is a really important step because you do not want to use the default design exactly as it is. You want to make it unique to your own channel. Canva editor will open up and you will see all the elements on the banner like text, images, colors and shape. You can change each of these elements to match your channel's theme and personality. Next, let's work on the image that you want to include in your banner. Sometimes the images that come with the template are just placeholder. So you want to add your own photo, logo or graphic. But before you upload it to Canva, it's a good idea to remove the background to make it look cleaner and more professional. To do that, go to Google and in the search bar type remove background. You will see several options, but click on the first website that appear that should remove.pg, which is super easy to use, free online tool that removes images background automatically. Once you on remove.pg, you will see a big button that says upload image. Click on that and select the photo you want to use for your banner. It could be a photo of you, your logo or any graphic that represents your channel. After you have uploaded your image, you will see an option that says remove BG or remove background. Click on that button and in a just few seconds, tool will automatically remove the background from your photo, leaving you with a nice clean image that you can overlay onto the background in Canva. This makes your banner look much more professional. Now that the background has been removed, you might want to adjust the color to match your channel theme. So right there on remove background, look for the option that says color or choose color. Click on it and pick a color that fits your overall branding. You can use your brand signature color or any shade that looks good with the rest of your banner design. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click on the download button and your newly edited image will be saved to your computer or phone. That's it. Your image is downloaded and ready to use. Next, go back to the canva.com where you left your banner template open. Now you want to add your channel name to your banner so that anyone visiting your page know exactly whose channel it is and what it's about. In the Canva editor, click on the text option on the left sidebar or toolbar. This will let you add text box on your design. Click to add a text box and then type your channel name in the text box you just created. You can choose any font, style, size and color that match your brand. Do not be afraid to play around with different fonts until you find one that feels right for your content and audience. Once you have added your channel name, you might want to include an extra design element like putting your image inside a circle shape, which can look really clean and modern. To do this, go to Google again and this time in the search bar type circle your image or circle crop image. Open the first website that comes pop-up that lets you crop image into a circle shape. Click on the Upload Image button on the site and select the image you just downloaded from Remove Background. Use the crop tool on the side to adjust the size of your image, making it smaller or larger as needed until you're satisfied with the circle shape. Once you are done cropping, click on the download button again to save the circular image to your device. To place the image on your banner, simply drag and drop the uploaded image onto your design. You can position it in anywhere you want on the banner, drag it into circle placeholder if there is one, or place it creatively on the banner design. Resize it by dragging the corner until it looks perfect. Just like that, your custom image is in place and your YouTube banner is starting to come together beautifully. After you are happy with how everything looks, your text, image, color, and overall design, you may want to save an extra crop as a backup or to reuse for future update. In Canva, click on the duplicate option to make a copy of your banner. This is helpful because you will have the original editable file in case you ever want to tweak it again later. Once you have duplicated it, click on download button at the top right corner of Canva. Choose the file format. Usually PNG works best for banner and click download. Your banner file will now be saved to your device. Now that your YouTube banner is ready and downloaded, it's time to actually add it to your YouTube channel. So go to your YouTube channel in your browser, click on Customize Channel. This will open your YouTube Studio customization option for your channel. In the banner image section, click on Upload Banner depending on how it's shown. Select the banner image file you just download from Canva. You will see a preview that show you how your banner will look on different devices, TV, desktops, and mobiles. Make sure it's look good and nothing important gets cut off. Once you are happy with it, click on Done and click on Publish. This will apply your new banner on your channel. And that's it. Your beautiful customized YouTube banner is now uploaded and live on your channel. This whole process from going to canva.com and picking your template to removing your image background with remove.bg crop, cropping your image into a circle, customizing your text, adjusting your color, uploading your final design and publishing it to your channel, and all be done in just few minutes. Even if you are a total beginner, it's super easy, complete freely, and really makes your channel look professional. Finally, double check everything, go back to your channel, open it your browser, YouTube, and review your channel as your audience would see it. Take a look at your banner on different devices if you can, and make sure it look amazing and represent your brand exactly how you want. Congratulations, your amazing banner is ready. By taking the time to create a custom YouTube banner like this, you are already ahead of many creators who do not bother with branding. A great banner tells visitors what your channel is all about and invite them to hit that subscribe button. So that's it, guys. I hope this step-by-step guide help you create your own stunning YouTube banner without skipping any detail. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creator, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and make your channel shine.